Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing about small business ideas that will make you millions, literally. If you're new on this space, my name is Christina and I create content on social media management, passive income, and how to make money in 2023 and beyond. And now, as we approach 2024 and all glammed up, ready to make money and enjoying the money I've made so far, if you're interested in content like this, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications so you're notified every single time I drop a new video. With no further ado, let's get right into this video. I know you must have heard about starting a small business 1 million times so far. On YouTube, on all social media spaces, people are talking about starting your own business, making your own money, becoming your own boss, trying to be a boss lady. None of this is bad, but you really have to get the information right before you delve into it. There are so many things that you could get wrong as a small business owner, could end the lifespan of your business, and your business will not even thrive, and you just end up closing up and going back to your boring 9 to 5 life. Now, if this is not something that you want to do, you need to gain clarity about what you're getting yourself into. You need to involve yourself into businesses that would yield results, not businesses that have not been tested. Sometimes people go with the flow, they're just sure that they're going to make millions without even getting the knowledge they need about that brand. Now I've spoken so much about gaining clarity. The next thing I will do right about now is to show you business ideas that will make you money. These business ideas have been tested, trusted, and this model will literally change your life. You don't need to have any experience, you don't need to have so much skills. Even though you need skills, the skills you need are skills that you can easily acquire. They are not skills that will make you spend so much money. They are free on the internet and you can make money with these skills. So the first of these business ideas is very, very common but yet not fully explored by everyone. This is a business of selling a service. So people are literally going to tell you that you're going to make money doing nothing, you're going to become a millionaire. I'm here to tell you that that is absolutely impossible. You need to give something for you to receive something. So if you're not giving any value, you're definitely not going to receive any money in your account. So this skill is about you gaining a skill and rendering these services. These services that you can render range from social media management, copywriting, SEO expert, and different things. Just sell something that people are looking for. People go for the most random thing. You can even create gift cards because a lot of people are not doing it in this part of the world. And so when you start it, you're going to have a lot of people interested in what you have to offer. This business idea is something that you should explore, selling a service in 2024, and you shouldn't even overlook this. Just get something that you're good at and pitch it to people and watch you make millions. Another business that you can start in 2024 is drop shipping. Now, I know you must have heard about drop shipping a trillion times, but something that you need to do is to be honest about it. A lot of people don't tell their clients that, oh, this is a drop shipping brand, so you don't get your product immediately. When you pay, you're going to have to wait for about a week. Instead, I tell your customers that you're going to get your product immediately, you're going to get your materials immediately. So people have this mindset that, okay, when I pay today, tomorrow I should receive my product. And when you end up not doing any of that, it looks like you're lying. It looks like you're about to steal somebody's money, and it is not nice at all. So something about drop shipping is that you are not the one that is going to take care of the shipping. You don't take care of the packaging. Your supplier does all this for you already. So you should just go online, look for a supplier. If you're still confused about where you should get a supplier for a certain business you want to start, a good place for you to start should be AliExpress and Alibaba. So when you go onto this platform, there are suppliers willing and ready, although some of them are not quite honest. So that is something that you should really calm down and look for a good supplier that is going to be as honest as possible. So these are platforms where you can get suppliers. There are more supplier platforms like that. You can check them out online and just try to get somewhere that you can get suppliers that will be supplying your clients all the materials that they're going to be purchasing from you. So with this business, you need $0. You just simply need to find you a supplier that is good, make people make payments. When people make payment, you pay to your supplier, and your supplier takes care of every other thing from there going forward. Another business idea that people are not even exploring at all is meals to go. Now, what do I mean by meals to go? A lot of people are like trying to watch their weight on an healthy diet, but we're busy as well. We're bustling from 9 to 5 and we're just going about our duties, and we don't have that time to go to the market, buy the good vegetables, buy the weight loss items and just come home and make it. So meals on the go, you can start a business where you create meals for people who are trying to lose weight, meals for people who are diabetic, meals for people who have a general disorder or a thyroid problem or an immune disorder, something like that. And you can just create meals for them that will cater to their needs, so they don't have to start running around to get something for themselves, which at the end of the day they will not be able to make it. So sometimes at the end of the day they end up eating what they're not supposed to eat because that was what was readily available. So but if you start a business whereby you are cooking for people based on their healthy needs. So people who are diabetic, you know what to prepare for them and you deliver them to them. ASAP. People who are trying to lose weight, you know what to cook for them so that they can achieve their dreams and live an healthy lifestyle. This is one business model that I know that in Nigeria a lot of people have not tapped into this money making scheme. It is not something that is far-fetched. It's something that you have to do with your hands in your kitchen and with just a good camera to take pictures of these attractive foods. You're just a few minutes away from your customer base. Another small business idea that people have not tapped into fully, especially in Nigeria, is stock photography. So you mustn't be like a professional photographer before you'll be able to make money online. Sometimes, let me give you an example. Sometimes you might be looking for a picture for you to create an ebook or for you to create a particular design, and when you go online and you find these pictures, they are going to tell you that you have to pay a few amounts of dollars before you'll be able to use it. That is stock photography. So as someone that has like a flair for photography and really don't know where to start, stock photography is where you can start out from. So you can randomly just go about Nigeria, take cool pictures of places, edit them, color grade them, and have it looking all peng. And when you go on to Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, these platforms are willing to pay you for these stock photos, and when you give it to them, they're going to pay you. So there are a lot of untapped, beautiful, amazing places in Nigeria that you can start creating stock pictures from and stock photos from if you have a flair for photography, and you'll be on your way to making millions. You really don't have to be a professional with a good camera. Even if you don't have a camera, you can have a good camera phone and you can take these pictures and edit them beautifully, and you will be on your way to smiling to the bank, especially when you put it on these platforms that are popular and their content creators often pay for pictures like this. Another one is remote customer service agents. Now, if you have a flair for coming to people's needs, I know particularly people who are always willing to help. So when you're telling them your problem, they're already looking for a solution for it. The thing is that you don't have to go to any office, or you don't have to work for anybody. You just have to be in the comfort of your home, and you will have this business up and running. So what you do is that companies will hire you to be their customer service agent online. So when people are asking for requests, you will be the most sweetest and most amazing customer care representative for that brand. You'll be there to help their customers achieve their goals without any hassle. Even when there is like an insult flying around, which people tend to do, they're going to cuss you out. You have to remain quiet and just try to be as nice as possible. This is a business that a lot of people have not started, but since COVID-19, a lot of these remote jobs are things that people are going towards right about now. So you can tap into this and gain experience. And the thing about this is that even if you don't have any experience yet, you can just contact local brands. Like I told you guys in my previous video on how to make money online using Google Maps, I told you how you can contact brands online using the Google Maps, and how you can just pitch your content to them, pitch your services to them. So if you're still new and you really don't know where to start, this is an amazing way for you. I'm going to put up that video on the screen so that you can click on it and watch it, so you see how I was able to get a client online that I have never met in my life. So this is a way for you to start out if you're still confused about what you want to do with your small business in 2024. Another one is SEO Expert. So as well in the Google Maps, I told you that if you're an expert in SEO, which is search engine optimization, you can pitch your services to people and you can tell them, oh, you're going to help their business rank higher. And a lot of people have not started doing this yet. A lot of people just go into social media management because that's kind of what is in vogue now. I'm also a social media manager, but I've been able to gain experience in other aspects of, content creation and growth on the online space. So these are things that I've encountered on the way, and I've always said that these courses are free. I I have a video on how you can get hands-on experience on courses like this, on services like this for free. I'll put it up in this video right now so you can click and watch courses that I've mentioned, links that I dropped, platforms that you can go and take these courses for free, and you'll be on your way to making millions. The last but not the least of business ideas that you can explore in 2024 is the fashion business. Now, fashion business has grown beyond our imagination, and a lot of people are just going creative, and there are a lot of creative outfit for you to wear, but there are things that people are not doing yet. And one of those is that when you're starting a fashion brand, you don't have to make it really expensive. So if you want to start an affordable fashion brand, you can just go and find people who will supply you. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to be giving you information based on Nigeria. So if you want to start a small fashion brand in Nigeria, you really don't have to go to the bank. It's either you go to Oshodi, Teju Osho, or if you're living in the east, you can go to the Aba market where you can source for fabrics, and there will be tailors on ground who will tailor whatever you want to your needs. So if you have a particular design in mind, I'm going to give you this expo. Please do not choose complicated styles when you're trying to meet these tailors in the market, because they're not really that experienced. So if you want the really advanced tailoring part, it is not really going to be an affordable brand anymore. So since you're trying to go for an affordable brand, we really have to focus on sewing less complicated styles, and on ground there, right there, believe you me, they are going to tailor all these outfits to different sizes, different shapes, different way, and you're going to be on your way to making money. And if you're looking for a platform where you can put all these fashion items on, you can go on Shopify, you can create a store for yourself, or you can also put your items on Marker, which is what a lot of people are using now. So on Marker app, people have affordable brands. This is not a paid promotion, please. I've seen a lot of people use this, so that is why I'm recommending it to you as well. So all these ideas are ideas that you can explore in 2024, and we have you on your way. If you start from now to start drafting out your business, if you start now to draft out what you want for your brand and how you want your brand to grow, before 2024, before January, you will have everything set and in motion. We've come to the end of this video. If this video was helpful to you, please, I know I talked a lot, I'm exhausted. Please subscribe to my channel, turn your notification so you'll be notified every single time I drop a new video. And if you enjoyed this, please always tune in on Tuesday. I will have a new video up every Tuesday. I love you guys. Until next time, bye.